Hello friends, today I am presenting another problem on laws of motion. So let's get started. In the arrangement shown in the figure, the mass of body 1 is 4 times as great as the body of 2. The height of H is 20 centimeter. So let's see the figure carefully. So according to the question, mass of first block is 4 times that of second block and our height H is 20 centimeter or 0.2 meter. Now let's see the other part of the problem. The masses of the pulleys and the threads as well as the friction are negligible. At a certain moment, body 2 is released and the arrangement set in motion. What is the maximum height that body 2 will go up to? So in this case, our mass 1 is suddenly released. So think basically block 2 will go up. Okay, as it is released suddenly, our mass 1 covers the distance 20 centimeter. Mass 2 will cover more than that or same of that, we will see in this problem. Now as the mass 1 has velocity at just it reaches here, so when this will be about, let's assume that it goes up to height h. Okay, after that it will have some velocity. Let's assume that it is velocity v. Then it will go up further than that. That is the maximum height. So let's see the problem solution. Okay. Now I have assumed that mass 1 goes downward by acceleration of a1 and mass 2 goes upward. Okay, I have shown the direction here with acceleration of a2. I have assumed that the string connected to mass 1 is of 2t. As this pulley is of negligible mass and threads mass are negligible, so this will get divided into t and t. So in this case, this string will have an string of tension t. Now let's see the equations of motions regarding to mass m1 and m2. For mass m1, we have downward force of its weight, and for mass m2 same as m2g, downward force. Okay, so for in case m1g minus 2t equal to m1a1, t minus m2g is equal to m2a2. Now we have two equations and three unknown, that are t, a1 and a2. We will get relation among a1 and a2 by using constant motion. While writing constant motion, I have assumed that this block is gone downward by x1 and its length of string is L1. This pulley has gone down by xp and this length is L2, this length is L3. Similarly, this block 2 will go up by x2 and the length of the string is L4. So writing the constant relation motion. Now solving the constant relation motion, we will get L1 plus x1 minus xp. So as I have explained this type of problem in previous video, please check the previous video for more basic explanation. In this problem, we will get the relation between mass of m1 and m2's acceleration as 2 of a1 is equal to a2. Now solving this equation, we will get a1 equal to 5 by 2 meter per second square and a2 equal to 5 meter per second square. Now let us calculate the time in which the block m1 reaches the ground using s equal to half a t square. So 20 centimeter equal to half of a equal to 5 by 2. We are using a1 here, equal to t equal to 2 by 5 seconds. Now we calculate the velocity when the block m1 reaches the ground. Using v is equal to a into t, we get 1 meter per second. According to constant motion, this block goes 20 centimeter. So we have 2x1 equal to x2. So x1 equal to 20 centimeter, x2 will move up 40 centimeter. Okay, now the remaining height is stable by using the velocity, which is equal to 2 times of 1 meter per second. The velocity of mass of m2 is equal to 2 meter per second. So the maximum height reached by it is u square by 2g, as u is 2 and g is 10, so 0.2 meter. as it has earlier moved up of 0.4 meters, so adding up 0.4 meter is we get 0.6 meter. So this is our final answer, in which the block of mass M2 goes to the maximum height, which is equal to 0.6 meter. Hope you find this video useful. Please like, share, subscribe. Okay, then thanks and goodbye.